I'm here. It's King D. It's me. It's your boy, King D. I am back to YouTube finally. I've been going through a lot, so yeah. I'm not gonna explain anything. It's just I'm just saying it's just we've been through a rough time, so I'm not gonna say anything about it. But you already see the title of this video, so we're gonna let the intro play and then we'll get into it in a minute. First tip, deep condition your hair for at least 30 minutes. No over 30 minutes. If you go over 30 minutes, you'll get moisture overload. Really, you don't want moisture overload because that's not good for your hair. You want to be balanced between moisture and protein. And protein is what makes up your hair strands. I have 3 specific deep conditioners for each needs of my hair. So like, say if I want curl defining, I use this Curl and Shine hair mask from Shea Moisture, and it's really good. Love it, and I will link this in the description below. Second one, and I use that for curling hair, like I said, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, strengthen and restore treatment mask. And I use this for protein and moisture balance because it has keratin, it has hydrolyzed wheat protein, as you see in the ingredients right here. And yeah, last one is called the Manuka Honey Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And I use this if I have too much protein in my hair. So like say if I do a protein mask and have too much protein in it, so I will go in with this because this has a lot of moisture in it. Because you know, intensive hydration hair mask. It has a lot of, it's gonna give you hydration. You know what I mean? All right. Second tip, oil. I use this tea tree oil after I shower and after I wash my hair. Because when you wash your hair, you want to put some type of oil on it because that's when your scalp is the most active, really. So I would like to put something on it so that it can, you know, moisturize your scalp, basically moisturizing your scalp after the shower and after washing your hair. So yeah, I use this tea tree oil for it, and I use argan oil for shine because you know argan oil is mostly known for shine, you know. And then olive oil, I just use olive oil in between the weeks, you know. I use it like if I use the oil when I wash my hair, and then in the same week my scalp is dry, then I'll use my olive oil to moisturize it. And secondly, I use a scalp massager while washing my hair. And it feels good on my scalp because you know massaging, you know how massaging feels. You know, it feels good. It feels good, and it helps circulate blood flow to your hair and to your brain, and you know all that good stuff. Third tip, a bonnet. You need a bonnet. You have to have a bonnet. I got this bonnet, and this bonnet is not that expensive. It's like $2-3. And if you don't want that, get a whole silk pillowcase and a silk bed. I'm telling you, if you don't want a bonnet, you better get a silk pillowcase or a whole silk like outlet of your bed, and silk covers, silk comforter, silk pillowcases, and everything like that. Because if you sleep on cotton, it'll kind of ruin your curls, and your curls won't last that long. Your curls will not last that long if you sleep on cotton every single day. You won't have curls for long, and it causes breakage, and it sticks to your pillowcase as like static, really static, and it'll get static, and that's not good for your hair. It's really not. And also with a t-shirt, dry your hair with the t-shirt too. Same for the washing hairs, and same for the bed. Dry your hair with the t-shirt and sleep with the silk pillowcase, or you know, if you want to wear a bonnet, wear a bonnet. So yeah. Fourth tip, ends when needed. I trim mine every once or twice a year. I don't trim mine every 6 months because I don't think that's kind of necessary for me and my needs. But I trim mine at least every once or twice. So yeah, back to what I was saying. Protect the style. Protect your hair. Please protect your hair. So like twist, braids, anything. You know, think of a pencil. You can break a pencil, right? One single pencil. Now try to break 3 pencils. It's harder to break, right? Same with hair. If you just leave your hair out, I mean that's fine. But I mean, you want to at least do a protective style. for at least 2 to 3 weeks or a month or so. So yeah, I mean, and it just, you know, oil your scalp while it's in the protective style, because I know sometimes it be itching, especially for me. I don't know why. I probably have some condition I don't know of, but I always just use tea tree oil because that helps it. So yeah. Bonus tip: eat healthy. Put proteins in your body. Please put proteins into your body, because that makes up your muscles and it keeps your hair strands on your head. It does. It really do. Please, if you're gonna do that, if you put chicken, fish, avocados, eggs, that is gonna keep your hair. That's gonna keep your hair strands on your hair. It will cause more hair growth to your hair. So yeah, that's all I got for today, and I'm gonna keep it posted with new videos coming. And yeah, so like this video, comment under this video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Yeah, just come here to support, you know. All right, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.